Hi there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I have an unboxing of the MoYu Meilong 3x3 magnetic 2020 version. That's a whole lot. And as always, I'm really excited. I hope you are too. Yep, I stepped it up a notch. Roll the intro. So this is what's in the box. You have a nice cube stand, accessories box, and the cube itself. First, let's take a look at the cube. First turns. Yeah, it has a papery feeling to it. Yeah, let's check corner cutting. It's not, well, let me just explain. The previous video I did was unboxing the WRM 2020. It's super fast, and I kind of got, I don't know, I'm not gonna say adapted to it, but the cube is so fast that this one seems very slower, but I tend to like it more because it's more controllable. Corner cutting, not too much. Oh yeah, it still does a fair amount. Reverse, not that much. Yeah, but what can you expect? It's a budget 3x3. Still super nice though. The color shades, I like the color shades more. The previous Meilong colors were more dull. This seemed more vibrant. So yeah, it's magnetized, factory magnetized. Let's pry a center cap off. Oh, the center cap is really deep in the cube, and it's with just regular screws. The tensions are a bit too tight for me, but I guess if you're a beginner and you pick up this cube, it's better to have a cube well tensioned for beginners, because I have to say in the beginning I wasn't really sure what I was doing with my cubes. I didn't know it could be tensioned, so yeah, it helped me out a lot. In my first speed cube I bought, that it was tensioned properly. In the accessories box, let's see what is in it. A tensioning screw. Tensioning screw. Tensioning tool. Yeah, well, thanks for that. Pamphlet with instructions. A card, and I don't know who that is, but It's from Team MoYu. I guess all the MoYu cubes have these cards in them. All the MoYu cubes have these cards in them. It's randomly inserted in by the cubes. This cube also has a matte finish to it, as you can see. Most of you aren't that excited about matte cube finishes, but I find it, if you use the cube a lot, it wears out and it's not that important. Some of you say it's not grippy enough, but I don't have this problem, so it's just a personal preference thing. This had to be in competition with the Chi MS line. To be fair, it is a great cube, don't get me wrong, but the Chi MS line 3x3 is much better than this one. I can't say if you proper tension it and lube it, it could be better, but the Chi MS line is better in my opinion. So normally I'm a really MoYu fan, but sorry, this time Chi wins. Sorry, MoYu. So if you decide to order this one, I'll leave a link in the description. You can get it at Cubes UK, where I have a discount code Belgian SC5. It gives you a 5% extra off your order, and it helps me out a lot. It helps me buy these cubes. It helps me be able to review these, and the support of you guys has been awesome. I can't thank you guys enough. I guess this is it for the unboxing and first impressions. Belgian Speed Cuber out.